The National Honors and Awards is a momentous occasion, a celebration of achievements and service in various fields. Friends, families, well-wishers, and even strangers all share in the symbolic investiture, as Jamaicans from across the island, through a nomination and specialized selection process, each year are conferred the prestigious titles. The 2012 National Honors and Awards recognized 7 members of the music industry: Toots Hibbert, Wailer, Peter Ashbourne, Lee Scratch Perry, Tony Gregory, and Clinton Jackson, with the very rare Order of Merit also given posthumously to the late Peter Tosh. Jamaican music reaches the soul of the people, unites us, and makes us forget our differences and problems. Musicians past and present have made a lasting impression on this lucrative and entertaining industry, leaving those touched by their works with no choice but to pay tribute.
Mr. Frederick Nathaniel Toots Hibbert.
Give it to me, give it to me,
On October 15, 2012, the engaging performer approached the podium at King's House to accept his second national honor. The first, received years before, was the Order of Distinction Officer rank. This time around, he was receiving the Order of Jamaica. A singer and songwriter, as well as a player of instruments, Frederick Toots Hibbert has made significant contribution to the development of reggae music in Jamaica. His contribution also spans festival song competitions, winning with songs such as Sweet and Dandy and What a Bam Bam.
Sitting in the midday sun, watching where my meal is coming from.
In the 50th year of his music career and the 25th of his passing, Peter Tosh was honored with the Order of Merit posthumously, the third highest national award in Jamaica. Long overdue, some might add. This was received by his daughter, Niambi McIntosh. Peter Tosh was honored for his influential contribution to the evolution of reggae music.
Said if you live in a glass house, don't throw stones. And if you can't take blows, brother, don't throw blows. I got to keep on moving. I gotta get on all the time.
Another revolutionary and holder of the Order of Distinction, Commander rank, Wailer's musical career continues to shape the development of Jamaica's music, resulting in his second honor, the Order of Jamaica, on October 15, 2012. His son Abijah Wailer received on his behalf.
He's done a lot for Jamaica in general, but reggae music and music, he's seen it through a lot of stages and he's seen it go through a lot of genres to become what it is today. So I think he's he would feel, I think he does feel like he deserves such an award, and like I said, he's Honorable Neville Livingston now, so he's very proud.
That's why I stand to predominate. I stand to predominate.
2003 Grammy-winning producer Lee Scratch Perry was among the likes of Peter Ashbourne to join the Commander rank in the Order of Distinction. A veteran musician and producer, Lee Scratch Perry played a major role in the development and acceptance of reggae and dub music in Jamaica and overseas.
Play on, Mr. Music. Play on. Rock the
Meanwhile, Peter Ashbourne, a very accomplished composer, pianist, and performer, has been one of Jamaica's major composer-arrangers of commercial music for more than 3 decades. Noted as one of Jamaica's most important and distinctive reggae bass players and pioneers, Clifton Jackie Jackson is also one of the founding fathers of Jamaican popular music. His role in the growth and development of our music during the ska era of the mid-1960s helped to usher in another of Jamaica's musical styles, rocksteady.
Gypsy, turn on my love light.
Released in 1982, Gypsy Girl remains a favorite among music lovers and to date is one of Tony Gregory's signature songs. In the music industry for decades, this reggae, soul and R&B recording artist has worked alongside Baron Lee and the Dragonaires as lead vocalist in the 60s.
The way that you go.
Sun is shining on the weather change. You wanna be, you're dancing deep. To the rescue, to the rescue, the lion.
Hey, and anything you can do, I can do it better. I'm the toughest. I said I tried.
Music, the soother of our souls. Not to mention the fun and excitement as it draws people together to unwind and have a good time. Indeed, musicians are heroes of a different kind.